U.S. School Chemistry Fundamentals Quiz 4. Question 1. Which element is liquid at room temperature? A. Bromine. B. Iodine. C. Chlorine. D. Fluorine. Answer: A. Bromine. Question 2. What is the pH of pure water? A. 0. B. 7. C. 10. D. 14. Answer: B. 7. If you got the first 3 right, hit like and follow for more quizzes. Question 3. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Aluminum. D. Silver. Answer: D. Silver. If you got this one right too, you're a chemistry genius. Don't forget to follow for more challenges. Question 4. What is the main gas found in natural gas? A. Propane. B. Butane. C. Methane. D. Ethane. Answer: C. Methane. If you're still answering correctly, you're doing amazing. Follow for daily quiz videos. Question 5. Which scientist proposed the atomic theory? A. Marie Curie. B. John Dalton. C. Albert Einstein. D. Niels Bohr. Answer: B. John Dalton. Thanks for playing. How many did you get right? Comment below.